So what are the best crypto investments as apps to help you grow your wealth? Look, this it's not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. And it's pretty sunny out here, so I'm going to put these glasses on. Now, if you want to start investing in cryptocurrency, using the right app is key to making some smart choices. Some apps are easy to use and they help you track your investments so that you can make the best decisions for your future. All right. Now, one popular app that does this is Coinbase. It's simple, it's great for beginners. You can even buy and sell many different cryptocurrencies. The app also gives you helpful information about each one so that you can even learn as you go. So another good app is Binance, one that is a little bit more advanced, but it offers a wide variety of coins. It's great if you want to explore different types of crypto. And if you want to keep things simple, Gemini is a great choice. It has a clean design. It offers security for your crypto as well. Plus, you can track how your investments are doing over time. Kraken is also another app to consider. I'll put all these names in the description. It's known for its safety features, a wide range of cryptocurrencies, so you can explore to find the best options for you. Using the right app can really help you make the better choices for yourself in the crypto world. So leave me a like, leave me a comment. As you know, we get what we give.